Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Let's begin! We can start with simply disabling and enabling Wi-Fi once again. As you can see, I currently just did that and nothing really changed. So then you want to make sure that you are connected to your network. For me, it's this one. I will now input its password. Password is inputted, so let's simply connect it. And we have successfully connected. But sometimes this is not enough, since all I did was just enable the Wi-Fi and connect it to a new and unknown network. Sometimes your network that's not working is probably the one you already connected to before, usually the case with the work environment or the home environment. Then you want to go to your Wi-Fi settings. We can easily do that by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi icon and then going into details. Here we have full settings. We want to go into our settings of our network. Let's go into our settings icon and then hit forget. Now we have successfully removed our connection, and let's refresh it. As you can see, I have automatically connected to other one, so let's forget this one as well, and let's try to reconnect with it. So now I will simply input the password, and let's connect to it once again. With this very easy solution, we should be working. But sometimes the problem isn't even on the side of our device, but on the network itself. I can't really show you this since I only can show you how to do things on your phone, but you want to basically move towards your new router and simply restart it. You could potentially do it by pressing some sort of button, but if you want an extra mole, you could just simply plug it off. Pull the plug and leave it without electricity for about 5 minutes and then plug it back again. This should restart your whole router. And I hope that now, after you've done that, it should help. If it's not, then I would simply advise you to just call your service provider and say to them, hey, we've been experiencing some network issues, can you please explain? And if there are some big problems, usually they will say that it's actually the problem on their side and the Wi-Fi should come back in a few hours maybe. But this is the last resort option, and normally you simply just want to try to reboot the Wi-Fi on the device, then try to reboot the router, and only then you want to call the service provider. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.